Welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we is the interesting part, that is learn OpenCV in Python. So as of now we have idea about OpenCV, that is Open Computer Vision. It's also related with the topics like image processing, computer vision and so on. So if you are a beginner or intermediate or advanced level to gain a knowledge in, you want to move on to the any level to gain a knowledge in Python, it will be useful for you. So let's go for OpenCV. So before going this, you have to know what is exactly OpenCV. We can say it's a library that always allows to perform image processing and computation task also. Moreover, it have a lot of features like including object detection, face recognition, and tracking also. And we have now computer vision also. And we can say one more thing. Exactly what is OpenCV? It's an open source software library for computer vision and machine learning. And also the full form is what? Open source computer vision library. So if you want to continue research work on image processing or anywhere, definitely it will be useful for you. And what is computer vision? So before going this OpenCV, you have to know about this also, because so one where field of study which enable computers to replicate the human visual system. Moreover, it's a subset of AI. Remember, subset of AI, and also helpful for understand the digital image processing. So as of how the human can read the letters or image and so on. Now the question, how computers can understand and read and recognize. It's a dog. For example, you can say a picture of dog is a picture of cat and so on. So OpenCV installation. So if you want to go for PyCharm, you can use the by default you have de facto package called pip space install OpenCV underscore Python. So one thing, remember, once installed means what you can do, you have to check whether the OpenCV installed properly or not. You have to check, then you can go for execute the programs based on this concept. Now you can see the read and save image, how to read and save images with the help of this concept. So if you want these options, we need things called im read function, another called im write function. So with help of then you can read the image and view the image and save the image in your system also. So first imread function. So here syntax is cv2 dot imread of path comma flag. Remember, and the path parameter always take a string representing the path of the image to be read. It may be in C colon or D colon with some supported name. And also the file should be in the working directory, or we must stick with the full path of the image. So I go to say the example also, you can understand and get the clarity. And imwrite function, where you can use OpenCV's imwrite function to save an image in a storage device, and the file extension define the image format as shown in the example, like the cv2 dot imwrite file name come image. Remember, so if you go and work with this OpenCV, remember it support lot of the file formats like a dot jpeg, dot mp, dot apec, or dot jpg, and so on and so on. Remember, some of the files not supported. Even video files also can extend later. And parameter. So for this one, the parameter is called file name. It's a string representing the file name, and also image. It's the image that is to be saved. And example, you can say import cv2 and read image. You can give the path name cv.i imread of r/c colon, and you can give the path name, like, and save the image. You can give imwrite. So when you imwrite it, save the image in the colon. C colon uses under is a dark image like that. At last, you can give image return success or not. So simple example. Now we switch on the screen to understand and get a better idea about this Python, where it is a simple program that is called how to view the image. It is already has an image saved in the system. How to view with the help of this one. So we are writing the code like import cv2, then set a path r colon c colon, then users giving the desktop mc banner jpeg. Then I want to read the image. I am writing the code like image equal to cv2 dot im read a path. Then I am writing a window name underscore image. Then I can write cv2 dot im show up window underscore name of image and cv dot wait key up. So you can write for, because here the user have to press and wait for some time, some seconds, and closing all window can give cv2 dot destroy all windows. So the simple program, to assume that we have a picture. That picture it be stored in the desktop. The picture name is called mcbanner.jpg. So I want to read and view the image. So I'm going to exit the program. It show immediately the image is machine learning banner like that. Here to display. Don't worry, photo output not visible. I'll show in the another video. Yes. So this is a way how to view the image with the help of OpenCV. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. So like this display. Hi, welcome back to Python tutorial. This is the program where I explained the previous video. It's a continuation now. Now I'm going to show the output. So just remember, if you want to view the file, view the output, before that you have to keep the path where you have a file. So because in C colon under this category I have a under desktop I have a file called mcbanner.jpg. So before execute the program, just to check where is exactly the location of your file, and then we can execute the program. So once you execute the program, you will see the output here. So that means how to view the image with the help of OpenCV. I hope that you understand. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you. So like that, we can view the file, whatever file is stored in your system. You can view the file, and that means the C. It read the file and view the file here. Thank you.